Hello, my name is Emerson Garcia. I am 44 years old and I live in Cali. Currently, I am studying my last semester of bachelor's degree in English as a foreign language. I sometimes teach online English classes. I also have a degree in business administration, which I studied long time ago. I don't have much experience in teaching or preparing people for international exams. That's why I would like to start teaching the basic courses. I haven't traveled overseas and I've never been to the USA. However, I enjoy speaking English. Regarding my English level, I consider that I have a B2 level and I look forward to improve on and to upgrade my English level very soon. I have free time during the morning, so I would like to work in that schedule. Well, that's all, and thank you for your time.